Hello friends, this is Rajesh and you are watching Input Output Campus. So today we are going to start a new series of React.js and we will cover all the things in React.js. And we'll learn how React.js actually works, and we'll learn the React.js step by step with some very basic examples. And we'll cover the basic concepts of React.js, how the state works in React.js, and the various hooks like use state, use effect, use context. So we'll discuss different types of hooks in this series.
समझ रहे हो?
And then we'll create some very interesting apps using React.js, like we'll create a complete to-do app, a movies website, and many more.
तो रुको जरा, सबर करो, बोला धक्का बुक्की नहीं करने.
And finally we'll learn the Redux. So most of the time Redux seems to be complex, but we'll learn the Redux step by step in some very easy way and with some very basic example. Okay, so before starting the video, make sure you have subscribed to Input Output Campus YouTube channel and also press the bell icon, because when I will upload a new video, you will get the notification fast. Okay friends, so without wasting any time, let's start the video.